your morning market hit for Friday the 10th of June. What matters today for traders? What an interesting week it's been. After the excitement, swings and volatility in markets over the past month, equity markets paused for breath this week, trading in a relatively tight range with low volumes. It was unnervingly quiet. Markets were paused, waiting for something to happen. Step up Christine Lagarde and the ECB. They committed to an end of asset purchases this month, a 25 basis point hike next month, and potentially even a 50 basis point hike in September. Directly saying that inflation risks are to the upside, Lagarde was even more hawkish than markets expected. But despite being spoon-fed such hawkish language, equity markets didn't immediately react. They took a few hours to digest before the weakness set in and equity markets fell into the close. Interestingly, despite that sharp sell-off with high volume, the size of the pullback across countries and across sectors was remarkably consistent. Instead of this move just being about the change in rates and the inflation warning, perhaps it's just a relatively orderly risk-off event. So what's caused that? Well, the key flashpoint and potential cause for concern is the widening of spreads in Europe, particularly in Italy. Italy's economy is relatively weak and it has huge amounts of debt in circulation. So rising yields reawaken the fear that they'll not be able to repay their debt. And that's got dire consequences for the Eurozone, bringing back memories of the sovereign debt crisis 10 years ago. So will this weakness be enduring? Well, markets are fickle and it's already eyes onto the next piece of data. And today that's CPI in the US. Consensus estimates are for CPI of 8.3% year on year, 5.9% core. So that data, along with Michigan sentiment, which is released at 3 p.m, will be watched closely. That data, along with the imminent market reaction, will likely provide a steer on near-term equity market direction. That's all from me today. Do remember to like and subscribe to get notifications to all of our videos as and when they're published. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.